Hey, I'm Eric with Find Pigtails, and today I want to talk about the importance of releasing the front face of an automotive connector. One question we get a lot is that the front face cannot be removed, or somebody's having a difficult time removing the front face of a connector using one of the mini screwdriver sets that I have here in my hand. Well, there's a way around that. If you're trying to remove this orange front face, it's going to be pretty difficult. You can't get a grasp or a grip, and you might end up causing more harm than good or more damage. So that's why having a variety of these tools are so important. So as I'm trying to remove this front face, there's really nothing I can do to remove this. And that's where something like one of these tools comes in handy. Now, it comes with a variety of different shapes. I'm going to grab one of these oddly shaped end pieces. You can see it's going to have a little opening right on the end. And this is going to be a perfect situation to come in here with the front face. This is a D81B3 3-pin terminal connector. So this one's going to be perfect that I grab. It's going to have a little gap in between. And what we're going to do is to remove this face, we're just going to gently get the corner lip right here. And we're just going to gently pry up until that front face can come off. Once it's off, now you have direct access to release the terminals and pins from the back side, and we didn't cause any further damage. Now, to put this front face back on, you just simply insert it back on the front and push in until you hear that click. There you go.